Hello there. In today's video, I have got a new screen reader for you in case you don't want to use TalkBack. So if you are a user who is searching for a new screen reader for your mobile phone and you want an alternative to TalkBack, here is the perfect video for you. The name of the screen reader is Prudence screen reader. I'll just try to spell it out for you with the help of my TalkBack.
Access Android Prudence screen reader off.
I'll just have this spelled out.
Talk sound feedback on. Spoken language. Repeat spell last. Prudence space SCREEN space READER.
So this is the spelling of the screen reader, and in case you want to search for the screen reader in the Play Store, you can certainly do that, or use the link in the description box to open it in Play Store. So let me just turn this on and turn my TalkBack off, and you get a different kind of sound feedback when you turn this screen reader on. So just listen to it.
As screen TalkBack off. Welcome to Jishuo Screen Reader. Accessibility button double tap. Android 1 Jishuo 2 Prudence screen reader off double tap to activate. As screen recorder. Prudence screen reader turned on.
This is the sound of Prudence screen reader turning on.
4 hours 3 minutes. Accessibility button double tap. Android system. 2 Prudence screen. 1 Jishuo plus as screen.
And now we have our Prudence screen reader enabled. All the gestures that we use in TalkBack are available in Prudence screen reader. Basically, if I were to use the gesture which we use for going back in TalkBack, it would work in this screen reader as well. So if I swipe down then left.
What videos? Galaxy Store in the window of One UI Home.
So here I have come out of my screen recorder application. Now here we could open the Prudence screen reader menu by using a similar gesture to TalkBack. So the way we open TalkBack menu by swiping
main menu. Copy last spoken phrase.
We open Prudence screen reader menu in the same way.
Append last spoke. Copy. Cancel. Prudence. Cancel.
So this is the option of cancelling, and then we would essentially use the same gestures as we would in TalkBack to use Prudence screen reader. The only difference is the sound scheme. So when you touch an item, you hear the same sound as TalkBack, but when you swipe, the sound is different. And even when you long press, I have noticed that it has the similar sound as that to TalkBack. So it has many similarities to TalkBack, but some things in this are different. The reason is because there had been a screen reader previously, DDS screen reader, which I have again made a video on, which you can watch from the link in the description box. So that screen reader was like a copy of the old version of TalkBack. So Google deleted it from the Play Store, and now we can't access that screen reader. So but this screen reader has some differences. They are in sound scheme, so and the menu. So let's see what the menu has for us.
Copy last spoken phrase.
So this is similar to TalkBack.
Append last spoken phrase. Copy. Append. Read from top.
Read from top again.
Read from next item. Focus on first item on screen.
Now this option is not available in TalkBack. Focus on first item on screen.
Focus on last item on screen. Screen search. Dim screen.
Dim screen is essentially hide screen, which we use in TalkBack.
Prudence settings. Cancel.
And this is the options which are available here.
Dim screen.
So if I click on dim screen here.
Enable dim screen mode.
Enable dim screen mode, and now I will go to any application.
WhatsApp. Application icon. WhatsApp. Create call link. Search. Disabled. Search. Archived proofs from. Back. Back. Button.
So now my screen has been dimmed. That means the hide screen option that we use in TalkBack, this option is similar to that. I'll come out of WhatsApp.
One UI home.
Again, if I wanted to close this dim screen mode, I'll again open the menu and click on the dim screen.
Main menu. Read from next. Focus on last screen sir. Dim screen.
So the options name doesn't change. So we'll just click on dim screen and it will say disable dim screen.
1. Disable dim screen mode.
So this is how it works. Let's go to Prudence settings.
Main menu. Prudence settings.
And I'll click on this.
Prudence accessibility settings in the window of Prudence screen reader. TTS settings.
So these are some options here.
Verbosity details.
Verbosity details, yeah.
Sound and vibration. Notification settings. Customize gestures. Customize menus. Volume shortcut key settings. Time settings. Advanced settings. User center. About Prudence. Prudence screen reader.
As soon as the options are completed, it cycles back through the menu or the applications items again.
Sound and vibration.
Let's go to sound and vibration and I'll show you an interesting thing over here.
Sound and vibration. Vibration. Audio ducking. Sound feedback. Sound feedback. Sound scheme.
And here we have the option of sound scheme. So here we can change sound schemes that so there are some sound schemes that the screen reader provides. So it would change the way our screen readers sound while navigating. So it doesn't change the TTS, but it changes the the sounds which come out of our phone while we click on applications, touch on applications, swipe through our device and all those things. So we'll just click on this.
Sound scheme. Crisp and pleasant. Default sound checked.
Default sound, this is the thing that is essentially always checked.
Crisp and pleasant sound effect unchecked.
Crisp and pleasant sound effect.
Modern fashion sound unchecked. Cancel button.
And these are the two options here, three options here. So I didn't like any of the sound schemes, but it's up to you if you want to use any of these sound schemes. I just kept it on default. Now, in case if you are wondering what you have to do after installing this screen reader, you just have to go to your settings.
Notification 820 application open setting application icon settings.
And now we would scroll down to accessibility.
Develop user manual software accessibility TalkBack mono audio assistant menu.
Click here.
Application icon accessible recommended installed apps 6 apps.
And here we would go to installed apps, or it could be installed services or more downloaded services.
Installed Jishuo Plus off. Live trans Louis voice Prudence screen reader on.
And here we would turn the Prudence screen reader on from here. So we'll click on Prudence screen reader and then we have to allow the permissions that it asks for, and then it would turn on. So it's as simple as that. And as soon as you turn it on, the accessibility button that appears at the right side of your screen besides your back button, so it's at the right side of your back button. You know what is the accessibility button, right? So that button becomes the shortcut to turning Prudence screen reader on or off by default. And if you want to change anything, you can do that.
Video progress bar 4 record button.
So this screen reader has some similarities to TalkBack, but if you want to use it, you can. And you can explore the other things that we have in the settings of this screen reader. You can navigate and see what you like, what you dislike, how you want to customize this screen reader. And that, guys, is it for today's video. Until next time, bye bye.
Hi everyone. If you like my video, so please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any doubt, then you can write it in the comments section down below. I will try to answer it soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.